Okay, I just wanted to show you the vehicle that from the Maya tutorial. So here you go. So, well, actually, I've got more than one here. I've got several. So here you go. Here's the sort of beach one. I called this one just because it's got wider wheels. Now it's pretty simple Maya mesh, and you've got your skeleton in the middle of that, which is plugged into the script. So the script is put into the UDK folders, and that enables the wheel animations and also the physics object. So you can go in actually and look at the let's just go in and look at the vehicle. So here you go. So this is a skeletal mesh. So it's made in Maya. It's got basically 5 bones in it. So a bone for that central vehicle body, and then there you go, a bone for, you can see the bones there now, and then a bone in each of the wheels. And the way UDK controls vehicles is that the bones here are actually used as the wheel physics, and the mesh itself doesn't actually have any bearing on the physics at all. The wheel meshes are just there so that they can be animated to create the illusion of a wheel. It's actually the skeleton that affects the physics handling. So here you go, you can jump in this, so wrong way around. There you go, and you've got a vehicle. Now obviously this is pretty simple. I mean, you can make a much better vehicle mesh than this. You can also put guns on it and animations. You can change camera settings, etc., etc. Suspension as well. This is sort of a very simple implementation. If I go into the folders, I can show you the actual script. Here you go, and development and UDK, and I think I've got about 3 versions in here. Here we go. So here's the actual vehicle script, and this is actually a fairly straightforward vehicle script. Like I say, you can add dozens of extra features into this. You can add guns and other weapons, etc. And these are pretty much all built into the UDK engine as classes. So really you're just drawing on the classes that the engine already has built in, and just implementing them for your own vehicle. The other thing you have to make sure you do is you do have to set up a physics asset for your vehicle. So my physics asset is there. So you've got to set that up for the vehicle, and you've also got to set up the animation tree. So the animation tree will create the illusion of the wheel spinning and stuff like that, and you can also do stuff like steering wheel and other animations, etc. And these are plugged into the script. They're controlled through the script. Okay, there you go. So there's a very simple how you build your vehicle. I've got, if you want to check out how, the important bit is how you rig it in Maya. It's very important. You get particularly the root bone. The root bone in Maya needs to the root bone in Maya needs to be orientated at 90 degrees from on Z. Otherwise, when you import it, it won't drive forwards. Okay, that's it.